In today's video, we are here in Playa de Palma. So, without further ado, let's get started. Playa de Palma, which takes its name from the city, is a 6-kilometer long beach going from Can Pastilla, just south of the center of Palma, to Arenal, further southeast. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So I hope you like it, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we would love if you consider subscribing too. We will see you again on our next video. Bye! Playa de Palma is a nice place for your holidays. Easy access to the city center, close to Palma Airport, and plenty of attractions nearby, such as PALMA Aquarium. It's just south of Can Pastilla. And we have also AQUALAND, a large amusement park with a mix of high-speed water slides, kids splash pools, and camp raft rides. So come and visit Mallorca, and for sure you will love this place. So guys, see you soon, or in Spanish, hasta pronto.